What up, guys? Your boy BG here. I'm here at Manny's, aka Playdays Collectibles, in the city of
Winter, California!
And today we're gonna do a double unboxing. So let's let them breathe. Let's see who wins. Tie! It's a tie! All right, guys. So I picked up this awesome square body. It's gonna go directly into my display case at home. So I just wanted to let it breathe and show it off. And Manny,
I got a Chevy 1500, guys. Dually with a flatbed truck to pull a trailer to pull your 164 scale lowriders or bad, cool looking cars.
that is nice. So there you have it, guys. Come on down to Manny's Collectibles, where he has a little bit of everything for everybody.
See you guys here. Adios.
Adios.